How to change email address on Paxful. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change email address on Paxful. To change your email on Paxful, first of all you will need to open your Paxful application on your mobile device, or you may also visit the Paxful website. Once you open the application, here log in with your current credentials. And once logged in, you need to tap on your profile picture or the account icon at the bottom right corner of this page. Once you tap on it, you will reach to this page. Here in this settings section, you will find email option. You need to tap on this email option, and then under it, you will be able to find the option request email change. But before changing the email, you should verify your ID and address on Paxful. If you haven't completed the ID and address verification process yet, you will not be able to change email address on it. Since I have not verified my ID and address on Paxful, here I am not able to tap on this email option. But if you have already completed all the verification on Paxful, then you will be able to tap on this email and explore inside it. Once you reach inside it, there you will find the option request email change. You need to first remove the current email and add the new email. After that, tap on the request email change button. Then you will need to enter the password for security. Once I have entered the password, Paxful will send a verification link to the new email address. You need to go to your new email inbox and there find the email from Paxful. And once you got the email, you need to open it and click on the verification link to confirm the change. And once the new email is verified, it will be updated in your Paxful account. So by following these steps, you should be able to change your email address on Paxful. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.